Did you know that Nara, Japan is home to friendly wild deer that freely roam the city's streets and parks? Imagine strolling down the sidewalk and a gentle deer walks right up to you. This magical experience is a daily occurrence in Nara, a city steeped in history and charm. Nara is located just a short train ride from Kyoto and offers a unique blend of ancient culture and natural beauty. The deer are considered sacred in Nara and hold a special place in the city's heart. Legend has it that a deity arrived in Nara on the back of a white deer, bringing blessings and protection. Today, over 1,200 deer wander freely throughout Nara, adding a touch of enchantment to every corner. Nara is much more than just deer, though. The city is home to numerous temples, shrines, and gardens, each with its own fascinating story to tell. Exploring all of Nara's treasures could take weeks, but with careful planning, you can experience the best of Nara in just 24 hours. Start your day early to make the most of your time in this enchanting city. A well-paced itinerary will allow you to visit the must-see attractions, interact with the friendly deer, and soak in the unique atmosphere of this historical gem. Begin your adventure at Todai-ji Temple, one of Japan's most famous and historically significant temples. Next, take a peaceful stroll through Isuien Garden, admiring the meticulously crafted landscapes and traditional tea houses. Of course, no trip to Nara is complete without spending time in Nara Park, where you can meet the famous deer up close and personal. To navigate between these attractions, comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll be doing a fair bit of exploring on foot. Luckily, Nara is a very walkable city, and the sites are relatively close to each other. Alternatively, you can rent a bicycle for a more adventurous way to get around. Your first stop in Nara should be the awe-inspiring Todai-ji Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you approach, you'll be greeted by the Nandaemon Gate, guarded by fierce statues. Inside, the Daibutsudan Hall houses a colossal bronze Buddha statue. The statue is over 50 feet tall and weighs over 400 tons. Explore the temple grounds and discover smaller halls and pagodas. Each structure offers a glimpse into the temple's fascinating history. After the grandeur of Todai-ji Temple, a visit to Isuien Garden offers a welcome retreat into tranquility and natural beauty. This meticulously designed garden is a classic example of Japanese landscaping, featuring a harmonious blend of water, rocks, and carefully pruned trees. As you stroll along the winding paths, you'll feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you. The garden is divided into two sections, the front garden and the rear garden, each with its own distinct character. The front garden features a large pond with a central island, connected to the mainland by a series of stepping stones. The reflection of the surrounding trees and the nearby Nairaku Art Museum in the pond's still water creates a sense of depth and tranquility. The rear garden, added in the Edo period, offers a more secluded and intimate atmosphere. Here, you'll find a moss-covered hillside, a cascading waterfall, and a charming tea house where you can enjoy a cup of traditional matcha tea. Take a moment to sit on a bench and soak in the peaceful ambiance of this hidden gem. No trip to Nara would be complete without a visit to Nara Park, home to the city's most famous residents, the friendly wild deer. As you enter the park, you'll be greeted by dozens of deer roaming freely, their gentle eyes watching your every move. Don't be surprised if they approach you, hoping for a tasty treat. You can purchase special deer crackers from vendors throughout the park. These crackers are made with ingredients safe for the deer to eat and are a great way to interact with these gentle creatures. Offer a cracker to a deer, and it will often bow its head politely before taking the treat from your hand. Aside from feeding the deer, Nara Park offers plenty of space to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Take a stroll through the park's wooded areas, admire the ancient temples and shrines scattered throughout, or simply find a shady spot to sit and watch the deer go about their day. As your day trip in Nara come to an end, you'll leave with a heart full of memories and a newfound appreciation for this unique city. From the majestic Todai-ji Temple to the serene Isuien Garden and the playful deer of Nara Park, this ancient city offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. The gentle nature of the deer, roaming freely among the city's historical treasures, creates an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in the world. It's a reminder that respect for nature and tradition can coexist harmoniously, creating a truly special place to visit. If you're looking for an unforgettable travel experience that combines ancient history, natural beauty, and charming wildlife encounters, look no further than Nara, Japan. Start planning your adventure today. For more travel inspiration and tips, visit and subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys around the globe.